Number 5. Decimal system in 300 BCE. The decimal system or base 10 positional numeral system originated in ancient India around 300 BCE. This revolutionary system introduced positional rotation, where the value of a digit depends on its position. For example, 1 in 10 versus 1 in 100. 0 as placeholder and a number, simplifying arithmetic and enabling representation of a large number. The system's efficiency allowed for advancement in mathematics, commerce, and astronomy. Indian mathematics like Brahmagupta formalized the use of zero by 7th century CE. From India, the decimal system spread to the Islamic world and eventually Europe, where it revolutionized computation. Today, the decimal system is a universal standard for numerical representation and forms the foundation of modern computing.